me.
Hi Glammies and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film the Bratz challenge and I hope you guys liked it because I worked really hard on this one. It took a really long time and I haven't been in the best spirits lately, so please leave a positive comment down below and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you Glammies. So I'm starting off with my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 440, and I'm just pretty much caking this on because my skin is pretty horrible right now and I just wanted to have a flawless like Bratz like finish. So I used about 4 pumps to get this foundation to be full coverage, and I absolutely love this foundation. Once it oxidizes and sets, it is my perfect match. And now I'm using the concealer in the shade 420 because I like to be nicely highlighted. And so I'm just going underneath my eyes, cupid's bow, lips, chin, forehead, and above my lips. And I'm using my Pixie setting spray to go on my blender sponge, and I'm just gonna blend this all in. And I make sure I do my eyes last so that my eyes can set more. And I'm just going to take a little dance break because I was listening to circle music the whole time while doing this video because I'm in love with this year's music. So I'm just taking my HD Ruby Kisses setting powder, and I'm just setting my face. And what I do is I press this into my skin. I don't bake and I don't wipe off the powder. I just press it into my skin. This works best for my skin type. And now I'm just going in with my Fenty contour stick, and I'm using it to contour. This is my favorite contour stick. It's almost done. I can't even roll it up anymore. I know you guys are probably thinking, dang girl, is this a Fenty sponsorship? Like, why you have so much Fenty? But honestly, I've always loved their contour. I recently fell in love with their foundation, and I just started using the concealer because I reviewed it. So I have been sticking with those. So I'm just blending it out. And I also have other parts of my face setting as well, and I like to leave the powder on my face so that my contour mixes in with the powder and it gives a really nice matte finish. So now I'm just dusting the powder off, and I'm using the contour palette, the new one from Black Radiance, in the shade Deep. And do you guys see how dark it is? Oh my god, in that moment I knew I messed up. I'm used to digging into the pan, so I went pretty heavy-handed with it. So now I'm just trying to fix it and blend it out nicely. So yeah, guys, be sparingly if you're going to use this product. There's no need to dig into the pan. It is super pigmented. I think the middle shade is my perfect contour color, and the highlight shade is absolutely gorgeous. That's what I use to highlight with. Like, I put on 3 layers of highlight. This is a tip that I learned from Beauty by Melissa. She's a Brooklyn makeup artist, and I just started following her. Thank you, Kimmy, for putting me on to her. I love her makeup, and hopefully I can get my makeup done by her for my birthday. But anyways, so I'm doing my contour and my highlight, and I love the highlight shade in this palette. Like, they went all out for this palette. So that's that. I'm just checking to see if I like it, if it's enough, and it is. It's more than enough. So now I'm just going into my eyes part of this video, and I'm using these brushes that Pixie sent me, and I'm also going to use the eyeshadow palettes that they sent. But first I'm going to go with my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to use the 2 blue shades that I just tried to point to, but I kind of failed. So I used the light teal shade and the dark blue shade. The light teal shade is my first transition color, and I'm just washing this all over the crease. And I'm dipping in multiple times and building it up. And then I go in with the more detailed brush, and I'm taking in that more turquoisey blue that is a little deeper, and I'm defining my crease, y'all. I haven't done an eye look in so long, guys. I haven't even been wearing makeup, so this was kind of a struggle, but I really just tried to push through. Now I'm just cutting my crease with LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I think I'm using the color Fawn because, like, back in the day, everybody used to be like, Fawn is a perfect contour shade for dark skin girls. No, it is not. It is way too light. Like, I would look my mother's skin tone. If you don't know what my mother looks like, watch one of my vlogs when I use that color. It is just way too light for dark skin girls, in my opinion. So I'm just taking my time and cutting out my crease, and this is how it's looking. I was really surprised because usually when I do a winged cut crease, it doesn't come out good, but this one came out really nice. So maybe in my break, my skills actually improved. But now I'm just doing glitter on the crease line, and I'm doing a fine line of my Ruby Kisses eyelash adhesive, and this is the best adhesive ever. Like, people always ask me what eyelash adhesive I use. It's definitely that one. And I'm just taking some custom glitters that I mix, which is why I didn't really show them, because I'm revamping my website and it will be back up, I'm hoping, by the summer, but I'm not making any promises because I really don't want to rush this process. I want everything to be perfect and I want you guys to love everything. So that's the glitters that I'm using. For the base shade on my lids, I use the pink shadow from Pixie, and then I use the Wet n Wild eyeliner to do my liner. And you guys know I don't usually do liner, but I was like, we going all out. It's the Bratz challenge. I love Bratz dolls. I used to have the big Bratz head when I was younger, so that's what I did. And these are lashes that I'm using that are from my website. If you're interested in buying any of my products, you can definitely go to the Shop Glam Clean Instagram and DM me, because I'm still shipping out products. I'm just took the website down and I'm gonna focus more on revamping it. So I'm just taking this other custom glitter that I made and I'm putting it on my brow bone. And glitter on the brow bone might be my new signature. Like, I see people been dabbling in glitter and doing the type of glitter signatures that I used to do, so now I gotta find a new one. What do you guys think about glitter on the brow bone? I feel it. And I'm just adding 2 little gems underneath the eye, because in the picture that I'm going to show you guys at the end, she had 2 little gems. It's really hard to notice, but I notice anything that sparkles. So I'm just overlining my lips with this brown lip liner from Shop Miss A, and then I'm going in with this Pixie, I think the shade is called Fairy Rose lip color. It's a really light pink pale nude. And that's it, guys. Bratz challenge completed. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Love you. Bye, Glammies.